Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. So we have already started what is a player poem in our second unit. Be reading written by Jessica Taylor. Jessica Taylor. So we'll have a small recap of the previous session. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. That means even though he knows that he is going to lose the game, he will not give up. He will not leave. He will not avoid. He will fight till the last minute. He will fight till the last minute. That means he doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. Even though he knows he is going to get defeated, but till the last moment, till the last minute, till the last second, he is going to fight. He is going to try to win the game. That is the meaning of that. Second, but learn from their mistakes and puts them beneath. And he learns from his mistakes. He learns valuable lessons from his defeats. So why I am getting defeated? So what makes me defeated? So where I am doing wrong? This is all he is going to analyze. This is all he is going to analyze and he is going to put beneath of him. That means he is going to take it over and he tries not to do again those mistakes. That is the meaning of that. A player is one who doesn't give at the sight of buzzer. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer. That means a true player, a real player, he is not going to give up. Even at the sound of the buzzer. So buzzer means some signals. They are going to be there in the game. In football game you can find the whistling or different sorts of buzzers are present in different games. So a true player, a real player doesn't give up at the sight of sound of the buzzer. Even though the game has been, the buzzer has been signaled, he won't give up. He will be totally involved in that game. He tries to play it. Always giving what they have from one side of court to the other. Always giving. That means putting the best out of them. And passing over from him. From him to the others. That means passing from one court to the other. That means he is going to play very well. He is going to try to play very well. Whatever the skill sets he has, whatever the abilities he is going to have, all he is going to put and move forward from one court to the another. Mainly in this poem he is talking about the basketball game. In general, we can take any game, but here the poetess has given has concentrated on the basketball game. But however, it is going to be applicable to all the games. We'll continue. A player is one who doesn't whine about their play time. That means whatever the time has been given, in the time they have to play. They cannot ask for more time. That is the meaning of that. They should not complain. A true player, a real player is not at all going to complain about their play time. Why means to complain about their play time? Because a player knows it is an unacceptable crime. It is an unacceptable crime. If he complains, it is an unacceptable crime. That means he has to play in the given time. That's all. He has to follow the rules and regulations strictly. There is he cannot avoid that. A player is one who practices the game speed. each and every game has its own speed. Okay, cricket has got its own speed. Football has got its own speed. Volleyball has got its own speed. Each and every game has its own way of playing. Okay, the speed is going to differ from each and every game. So each and every player have to play according to the game speed. For example, we'll take an example of cricket itself. Okay, we will take a test match. We'll contrast with the test match and the one day and the 2020 and 2020 and the T10. So each and every of these format of the games are going to have different speeds. Okay, can you play one day as a test match, or can you play 2020 as the one day match? Can you play T10 matches, 20 match, or one day? No. Each and every game has its own speed. So we have to practice the game speed. We have to a true player, a real player, has to practice the game speed. So practice the game speed is very important. So without practicing the game speed, a player cannot play the game. So practicing the game speed is also very important. Always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed, and always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. That is what is the meaning of that, man? That means he has to put his abilities, he has to fight for the win, but it's not guaranteed. Okay, it's not guaranteed that he is going to win. It's not guaranteed that he is going to put the ball in the basket. It's not guaranteed that he is going to definitely play the shots. Okay, but he has to he has to put his abilities, and he has to practice very well. But always keeping in mind, that their shots are not guaranteed. That means, sometimes they may fail also. That is the meaning of that. The shots are not guaranteed. Sometimes Rohit Sharma may become duck out, or Virat Kohli may can become duck out. So we can, how much ever they practice, but still it will happen sometime. That is the meaning of that. Thank you.